How to use Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser to clean bottom of pot fast and easy. How can I make the bottom of my pot look new again? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean bent bottom of pot with Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser to make it new again. And let's dive right in. And you can see how filthy and bent the bottom of this pot is. And we are going to make this look new again. What you will need is Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser. Also, you're going to need a sponge, you need a soap pad, and then you need your gloves. And let's start right now. So first thing you're going to need, we're going to wet the bottom of the pot. So just wet it. Alright, now that it's a little wet, now we are going to use Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser. This is the powdered one. They do have a liquid one as well. In another video, I will do a cleaning with the liquid one to see how that one works as well. But today we are just going to use the powdered one and we're just going to spray on there. Just make it spray all around it. And I'm just going to use just a little water to soak it all up. I'm just going to add a little bit more. And then we're just going to leave this on for at least 5 minutes just for everything to soak in. So you want to put this on a flat surface that will make the cleaning easy for you. Put a towel before you put the pan on it because this is going to make some mess on your counter, so you can prevent the mess. Alright, so we put this on sponge with your soap pad and then we just start scrubbing. Just make this all around so it doesn't make too much mess. Alright, so now let's start cleaning. So you can see it's cleaning right away, it's coming off. And then add more as you go. You have to give it some scrubbing. And this is the first time I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser to see how fast and easy it is to use it to clean the bottom of your pot. So I go circle. Well, it's coming off, but not as fast as the other cleaning that I've used, like the Awesome and the Comet. They clean faster than the Barkeeper's Friend, but it's still cleaning. You just have to give it a little scrubbing. Well, it's cleaning. Well, it's almost there. Let's see, coming good. It just takes a little longer for the Barkeepers to clean faster. You can use more. Use a little water. Okay. Just clean the sides. All looks good. Cleans. Just add more. Clean those sides. And that's it. Almost done. Okay, so, and we are just going to wash this. This hasn't cleaned the way I clean my pot. It has to be spotless, but using the Barkeeper's Friend, it takes longer. It's not as fast as other cleaning product that I use. Alright, so let's just wash this down. Backless. Get the job done. Somehow not to my expectation. Alright, and there's a lot of mess, so make sure you wipe down your counter. Clean all that mess out. The back of the sponge. And now we are just going to wash this down. So you get the job done a bit. Not as I expected. You can see we still have some, even after scrubbing for a while, and you still have some spots. Even though these were all clean, it's just not that effective as I thought it would be. So that's something you will see. But it takes time for it to work. You have to spend few time scrubbing. I'm going to use a dish soap and to wash it. Alright, and just wipe down your sink. Alright, I'll wipe down and wash your soap pad for your next use. Let me wipe this down neat so your sink can look neat again. And also wash your gloves because that's going to be a mess as well. Alright. And now you can see it's clean, but not to the expectation that I wanted. I thought the cleaning would be faster, but it wasn't. Hello friends, I just showed you how to clean bent bottom of pot to make it new again, as you can see, by using Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser. And I'm gonna tell you what I like about this and what I do not like. You can see this has cleaned well, but you can still see some black spots on there. It took a little while to get it to where it is, and I don't have time to waste to clean the bottom of my pot. I want it clean fast and quick. So the pro about using Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser to clean the bottom of your pot, it will clean it when you have time to clean it. The con by using the Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser to clean the bottom of your pot is it takes longer to get it clean the way you want it. And especially for me, if I'm cleaning something, it has to be clean, thoroughly clean. So by looking at this, to me it's not clean because I still have some black spots under the pot of my pan. It's not what I'm looking for. So that is con number one. Cleanser is you have to scrub very hard on this. That's what I did. I have to scrub very hard to get it to the state that it looks this way, and not everybody have time to waste that much time cleaning the bottom of a pot. So that is the second con. It's not fast enough, it's not effective enough as I want it to be compared to other cleaning stuff that I have used. So that is the second con about using this one. It's not fast, it's not easy to get the job done, to get the bottom of the pot clean. And third, there's no time to spend too much time using this. So you can have this for your home as a backup in case you run out of your cleaning product, but it's not something that I would say it's the main cleaning product that I'll keep using to clean the bottom of my pot or pan. There you have it, friends. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Homemaking made simple for modern women. If you want to learn how to clean bent bottom of your pot fast, easy, and simple with awesome and comet cleaner, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on that video. Take care. Bye.